Welcome to Revenue Ringleader, your go-to online earning, motivational, and educational YouTube channel. In today's fast-paced digital world, there are countless opportunities to generate income online. Whether you dream of becoming financially independent, creating a side hustle, or transitioning to full-time entrepreneurship, this channel is your ultimate guide to unlocking your earning potential. The online earning landscape. In this chapter, we will explore the ever-expanding world of online earning. From freelancing and remote work to e-commerce and content creation, the digital realm offers diverse avenues for income generation. We'll discuss the importance of identifying your strengths and interests to choose the most suitable path. Additionally, we'll delve into the benefits of online earning, such as flexibility, global reach, and low entry barriers, making it accessible to people from all walks of life. Building a strong mindset. A successful online earning journey starts with a strong mindset. In this chapter, we'll focus on cultivating a positive attitude, resilience, and determination. We'll address common challenges faced by aspiring online earners and provide motivational strategies to overcome them. Emphasizing the power of self-belief and discipline, we'll inspire viewers to push beyond their limits and embrace failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. Identifying your niche. One of the critical steps in becoming a revenue ringleader is finding your niche. This chapter will guide viewers through a self-discovery process to identify their passions, talents, and expertise. By narrowing down their focus, they can target specific audiences and stand out in the crowded online marketplace. We'll provide practical tips for conducting niche research and assessing market demand to make informed decisions. Monetizing your passion. Turning your passion into profit is the ultimate goal for aspiring online earners. This chapter will explore various monetization strategies, including affiliate marketing, ad revenue, product sales, and sponsored content. We'll share success stories of creators who have leveraged their passion for niche topics to build thriving online businesses. Additionally, we'll provide tips on setting realistic earning expectations and diversifying income streams to achieve long-term stability. Leveraging social media. In the digital age, social media is a powerful tool for building a personal brand and reaching a wider audience. This chapter will delve into the strategies of effectively leveraging platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn to amplify your message and increase your online earning potential. We'll explore content creation best practices, the importance of consistency, and engaging with your community to foster strong relationships. Overcoming challenges. The path to becoming a revenue ringleader is not without obstacles. In this chapter, we'll discuss common challenges faced by online earners, such as burnout, competition, and algorithm changes. By addressing these issues head-on, viewers will gain valuable insights on staying motivated, adapting to industry shifts, and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Scaling your online earning journey. Once you've established a successful online earning venture, the next step is scaling your efforts for greater financial rewards. In this chapter, we'll explore strategies to expand your business, such as outsourcing, automation, and strategic partnerships. We'll also discuss the importance of reinvesting profits to fuel growth and the mindset required to transition from a solopreneur to a thriving entrepreneur. Conclusion. You've completed the journey to becoming a revenue ringleader. In this YouTube video series, we've explored the diverse world of online earning, the significance of mindset, identifying your niche, and monetizing your passion. By leveraging the power of social media and overcoming challenges, you're well on your way to unlocking your full earning potential. Remember, the road to success may not always be smooth, but with determination, dedication, and continuous learning, you can achieve your goals and become a true revenue ringleader. So, subscribe to our channel and join our community of motivated individuals ready to make a difference in their lives and the world through online earning. Together, we'll thrive and conquer the digital realm. Thank you once again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.